Hello everyone, and in front of me is Samsung S25 FE, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestion. So at first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is the panel that we wish to open. Now mark settings, go to suggest emojis and make sure that this indicator is active. Then make sure that your language is located here. And now once it is active, let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'm not possible to do it here as I do not have my SIM card inserted, but for example in notes it's working just the same. So I can do it here as well. So let's check this panel. Over here, if you wish to add some emoji to your contact, let me enter some, for example. And as you can see here, we've got the emoji suggestion. And we've got it. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.